Hello guys, my name is Andrew and today we have a new unboxing of this Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 8GB RAM 2400 MHz, and let's see some specs. Of course it's compatible with 7 and 8 generation CPUs, no problem. Here we have the Vengeance LPX memory is designed for high performance overclocking. The heat spreader uses aluminum for faster heat dissipation, and the low profile design fits into most micro ATX and midi ATX systems. Very good. That's all. Let's see what we have inside. And inside we're going to find, of course, the RAM. Oh, no manuals, nothing. Let's open it. Very beautiful. And here it is. Very nice feeling. Well guys, that was all. I'm going to put it in my new system. Thank you for watching this lovely unboxing. And of course, please don't forget to hit the notification bell to get more notified videos in the future. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And like or dislike my video is your choice. Have a nice day. Bye bye.